If you're not making money with your Zoom events, you're not working smart. My name's Robert Farrell. I have a complete time-tested platform that I built just 3 weeks ago that enables you to monetize your Zoom events, webinars, cooking videos, live concerts from your couch. Let me share with you how it works. So if you head over to my website, you will see that I have all kinds of training videos to help and assist you every step of the way. But here's the cool part. You can monetize this. So here's one of my top selling clients, Tim Davis. He basically was on Glee for 7 years as the musical and voice director. So if you come down here, you will see here's a countdown to his event. Now he's doing a live event this May 1st. He's already started marketing it about a week ago. So he's charging $129 for his seminar and also a 4-bundle package. So the total advantage of my system is it's completely turnkey, drop and drag. So you can bundle this any way you choose. You'll notice he's also giving a $5 coupon off for sharing on social media. Now think about that. That's very powerful because if the person's ready to check out anyway and pay for your webinar, live event, concert, comedy routine, etc., cooking videos, workout, yoga videos, you can monetize it all with Zoom. Yes, now Zoom does have a PayPal option, but you can't create discounts. You can't basically monetize before the event. You can't do social sharing. What I mean by that is you can basically monetize your fan base, your audience. Here's how it works. So let's say as an example that you have a fan base of 50 people, or an audience base, or a webinar base, or a workout yoga base of 50. Now, I just want to be very conservative here. Many of you probably have more than that. Maybe you have 500, maybe you have 1,000. But let me share with you how you can walk before you can run. I've been doing online marketing and training, selling since 1995 online, in the trenches. Do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. I made a lot of mistakes. But this turnkey system works because it's the same system I use for my software training and my affiliate marketing programs. So watch this. So let's say as an exact fact you have 25 people in your webinar or your concert or your fitness training videos. Again, I'm being conservative. And let's say you're going to charge $30. $30, that's excessive, Robert. It's only going to pay $30. Really? I have plenty of customers. Tim, as an example, is charging $129 for one of his webinars and getting it. So it's all about premium value for a premium service. Don't be fooled. I mean, the world hasn't lost. Yes, we're shut down because of COVID, but we're not all poor. We still have money to spend. So let me explain to you how this can work and benefit you. So if you have a fan base of 25 people, you're going to charge $30 a ticket or any price structure that you choose. So that's 25 times 30. Okay? So you're making $750 for 25 people. Now, here's Working Smart 101. What do I mean by that? Well, based on my online experience for 25 years, one of my absolute favorite expressions with hashtag social media is hashtag working smart. Most people don't work smart. I want to show you how to work smart. So let's say that those 25 people, my software is set up in the back end, that you can incentivize them with a discount, meaning that you can pay them for referring other paid people. So let's think about something. Most friends have like interest. So if you're going to go to your concert, your cooking video, your fitness videos, maybe they want to tell their friends. For greedy reasons, I don't care if they're selfish. Let them make $5, $10 an event. So out of those 25 people, let's say in the course of 2 to 3 weeks, yes, you want to market your events probably a good 2 to 3 weeks in advance. The more time, the better. Don't stretch it out to 6 months, obviously, but 2 to 3 weeks based on my experience doing this is really what you need to do. So those 25 people, let's say those 25 people send you 3 people in the course of the next 2 to 4 weeks. So that's times 3. That's now 75 people. Now, keep in mind, you're not making $30, you're making $25. So that's times 25. But you basically tripled your revenue from before. Now let's do this again. So there's 25 people, send you 3 people, that's 75. Now here's what's really exciting about my system. You can also do a revenue share with those people. So as an example, let's say Jennifer recommends 3 people, and those 3 people recommend 2 people each. Well, Jennifer's going to make X amount, in this particular case, $5, and the person that she referred, that referred somebody, can make, say, $2. So now you're making out a total of $8 out of your $30. Now, I don't want to turn this into Mary Kay Cosmetics or Amway. It's not that. It's basically referrals one level down. Okay, it's the same technique that Amazon uses. How do you think Jeff Bezos got to be as wealthy as he is through referrals? Amazon has over 2.2 referral, also known as affiliate marketers. So let's say that there's 75 people, they send you also 3 people. Again, this doesn't happen overnight. You want to market 2 to 4 weeks in advance. So now we're up to 3 people at $225. Now keep in mind, you're paying out the first level, and this is totally up to you. I'm paying out the first level of people $5 and the second level $3. That's a total of $8. So that's times $22, which is 30 minus 8 is 22. So now you're making $4,900 per event. Now, again, I'm being conservative here. That just started out with a fan base or a client base or a webinar base of 25 people. What if you had 50 people? What if you had 100 people? This is working smart. You have to understand that people out there in COVID shutdown need to make some kind of money. So as an example, if you're going to charge $30 for an event, you can pay people differently. Maybe you have your super fans or your person that's been with you for a number of years. It's totally up to you what you incentivize them with. So let's say that Jennifer has been a yoga student of yours for 3 or 4 years. Out of a $30 ticket, maybe you want to pay her $10. Heck, maybe you want to pay her 50%. You can monetize them with a flat rate or a percentage. It's really that simple. So come to my website, click on this button, and share me on social media. So basically from here, you click here, and if you share me with either 10 people, here's how it works. Either 10 people or 10 points. As an example, if you go watch the rest of my training videos inside my chatbot, which is based on Facebook chatbot, you get 3 points. Now you need 7 more points. You share me on Facebook, that's another point. You share me on Twitter, that's another point. You share me with 5 friends, and next thing you know, you have 10 points. And you can do this. It's $33 a month, but let me be very clear. You have to pay for the year, because otherwise my normal fee is $299 every 3 months, which is $99 a month. I have plenty of people that signed up for that already. Now, I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you, absolutely 100%, nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. My name's Robert Farrell. If there's a better way to do something, I'm here to help you every step of the way. I don't bloviate. I'm not going to fill your head with a bunch of nonsense. I'm not going to put you into some waste of time webinar. I'm sincerely here to help you. I don't spam. I'm here to help you. Now, let me share something with you. There's absolutely nothing positive about being negative. So stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020. My name is Robert Farrell. Again, go to my site, check out my platform, watch some of my videos, and if you decide to sign up, take advantage of my $500 off deal for sharing me on social media. Have a good day.